Hello friends, welcome to Science Education, and today we are going to start with a series of a subject thermodynamics, and this is the first video of that series. So in this video we are going to cover today the basic definition of thermodynamics, that is what is thermodynamics, then what is thermodynamic system. Then in that we are going to see system, boundary, environment, then different types of thermodynamic systems. So this is the agenda for today. So let us first start with understanding what is thermodynamics. So basically thermodynamics, the word comprises of two different words, that is thermo and dynamics. So thermo means, as the name suggests, it is heat or energy, and dynamics means transfer of heat or energy or movement. So basically the definition of thermodynamics is, it is a science of understanding or studying the relationship between heat, work, temperature and energy. In broad terms, thermodynamics deals with the transfer of energy from one place to another and from one form of energy into other. So that was the definition of thermodynamics. Now what is thermodynamic system? So thermodynamic system, it includes anything whose thermodynamic properties are of our interest. Like suppose consider we are having a vessel that is filled with some liquid, say water, okay, and we are boiling it using some heat source, say a burner. This is the heat source, any heat source. This is the utensil which may be made of metal or something, and this is water. So in our case, we can consider we are interested in studying the properties of water, how it behaves, or thermodynamic properties of this water. So we can say in our case, the water present in this utensil is our system, okay. Then in this utensil in which we have filled this water becomes our boundary. So the surrounding of this system is environment. So this is also environment. So this water is separated from this environment using this utensil. So anything that separates our system from the environment can be treated as a boundary. So utensil becomes our boundary, okay. So the water is our system, okay, and the air surrounded present available around this system is environment. So now you can consider IC engine as your system, or a piston cylinder engine as your system. Like in piston cylinder engine, this is the piston cylinder engine, so this is your piston. So the gasoline present inside this is your system, and this cylinder wall and this piston is your boundary, okay. So this boundary separates our system, which is gasoline present inside, from the environment, okay. So based on types of boundary system, thermodynamic system is classified into three types, that is open system, open thermodynamic system, closed system, and the last one is isolated system. Okay, so in open system we can continue with the same example. Here our utensil we haven't covered with any lid. Okay, so in that case, if we continue to provide the heat to this water, then after some time when water starts to boil, it will starts to transfer the heat to surrounding. Okay, heat energy to the surrounding. Okay, and also the mass in the form of steam. Okay, so this is best example of open system, wherein transfer of mass and energy takes place. Okay, now second one is closed system. So if we cover this lid, cover this utensil using some lid. Okay, so I'll draw the diagram again. Okay, here is our utensil, our system is water, this is the heat source, and this time we have covered this utensil with some lid. Okay, now in this case it is not possible to transfer the steam with the surrounding. So here in this type of system only heat transfer will take place. Only heat transfer will take place, but it will not be possible to transfer mass. So it is not possible. So in closed system it is not possible to transfer mass, but energy is allowed. Okay, now third is isolated system. So in isolated system, consider like you have put some water or hot coffee in a thermos flask. So what happen inside thermos flask, the boundary, it do not allow not even heat to transfer to the environment. Okay, so in thermos flask the boundary is made up of such a material that it do not allow transfer of heat as well as system. So in isolated system there is no transfer of heat and energy because the boundaries do not allow transfer of heat and mass. So in closed system it allows to heat is allowed but mass transfer is not allowed, and in open system both heat and mass transfer is allowed. So guys, that was the basic introduction. In next video we are going to see zeroth law of thermodynamics. So if you liked our video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.